Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to switch out the OEM headlights on an 83 Buick Regal to some diamond housings with the LED 6K bright whites. We'll do the comparison on each side. And here we got the new crystal housing headlamps. Nice and clean. I like that look right there. From Vision Industries from Las Vegas, Nevada. And here's a look at the H4 4S LED bulbs. Comes complete with the package deal, but you could order them separately if you wanted to. These came with the crystal housing set I got. LED bulbs, simple plug and play, very clean. Can't wait to see how they look. Low and high beams together. This is the LED low beam driver side, and then here's a look at the passenger side OEM stock headlight. Right here you could see the big difference of them. This is with the high beams on, low and high LED bulbs on the driver's side. And then here's the stock. Huge difference, just lights up everything. Love it.